Tamimante sepante nugu shushas lama nima pepkirwa tandu nisingi traversha de singi tari kasan lepet mi manga dos rigon kumbala Oh, hoş geldin. Ya, tan lama pedos. Nice. Shela parsing de mitsang chilol goidisha insum ringala karse reshas chana dalit YouTube le tali nyunyi chitero na tochena oh this kimochi oh tochena ya kare dipe nyunyi wala toche
oh ya te 뭐야
dim nyunyi ya tochena
oh ya
dime
네 뭐야
dime tochena tape mango chas toche
쇼고
nyunyi chikso tela tochena sibe nyunyi chi me kuna madu de socham shusha ya sheba ya bu nyuda ya sheba ya bu nyuda socham shusha tochena wow
aspiration prayer, and which includes all the aspiration prayers that the Buddhas have done for the sake of all sentient beings. So everything is included in this prayer, the loftiest, the greatest of aspirations according to the Mahayana teachings. So if we do this prayer daily and develop bodhicitta, love and compassion in our hearts, in our minds, then this will bring what we call is virtue, merit in this and the future lifetimes. And whoever has merit, such an individual, whatever wishes there is, will be fulfilled. So therefore, we need to accumulate a lot of merit, a lot of virtue. And why this is so is because whether we wish happiness, even in samsara also, when we are in this cyclic existence, we need fortunate circumstances, we need happiness, we need pleasure, we need kind of all the good things that we yearn for, that we aspire for. And all of these wishes, even in samsara also, depend upon the accumulation of merit. And on top of that, if we really want to end this cycle of samsara, the cycle of birth and death, and achieve supreme awakening, the supreme enlightenment, we also need a lot of merit. So therefore, because we have achieved this precious human existence with freedom and advantages, this human body and consciousness coming together is very precious and very extraordinarily superior in compared to other forms of life because of the human intelligence. The human intelligence has a great potential that it can think of not only of the past, present, but also for the future, what is good for us in the long run. So therefore, we must use this human potential intelligence in order to benefit ourselves and benefit all sentient beings. And keep that in mind because life is precious. Even though life is precious, but life is also very short, very unpredictable. We can kind of face death anytime. That is inevitable, but we never know when it comes, when it strikes. So it is rightly said that tomorrow or the next life, which comes first, we never know. So right away, whatever time and that we have in our hands, we must use it wisely so that we achieve our full potential in this and the future lifetimes. So keep that in mind, and particularly as the followers of the Nyingma tradition, we are blessed with such kind of important and precious teachings as the instructions on the 6 types of bardos. Bardos means the intermediate state. Even this life is also considered to be an intermediate state. And how to use this intermediate state of this present life and the death and beyond death, the intermediate state, how to use it so that we can achieve our full potential, which we can manifest the Buddha nature that is within ourselves. So the great treasure revealer Karma Lingpa, he has given so many instructions on the bardo, teachings on the bardo, which we must study for our own benefit, so that we will be well prepared at the moment of death and beyond death also. So keep this in mind and always develop a good heart for the benefit of all sentient beings. Try to minimize, reduce negative actions which are driven by negative emotions, attachment, aversion, ignorance, and try to maximize virtue, which is based on the positive emotions of love, compassion, faith, wisdom, and bodhicitta. So keep this in mind and try to make one's life meaningful.
Some zombie more tamba rigi gurjo tamje deva chi gurje tamse lana toncho senji tunche mugupchi korga nime nyambe monde namjuro lamji sozo de zechi gurba meje tamba meje chen deva ju parasho Самчи сурга. Ема ой напчо дива ченji шунганцы нова кайе печиче. Кука тема чори чула те самба лида горе тола. Палачо чакаманье лита лита.
아주 린진 아주 이면 존이 시디 편함께 뭐 태제바다 정보 관계 공존대 접기도 레데 주탕지 지자고 파반 장바진 상하다 봐줘 봤다 편함 탄지 지자고 파바 장보치 비면 라마 린진디 비초가 단데비 고니 치남 상와 디코나니 주비때 런잠스 주히 지코 근지완주 라마다 인수면 봐 첩단 장바도기 생활 보안 대답인 층 rāngyē ngāmshī tū sūndu sāpi gīvī tsāvā tāngyē jāvī tēmbā rāmbā chī tāshī rākhañ lāmi chī dōjāng tōpi chē tū khotun nabar tāpi tūmen chī gōne pāpā tāmbō chī pī mānām tē jāvō tāng ngā chū tēmbā chī pī mānām dēnchū chū pī shāni sūn pī chā chī pī tsī sī chī pī yobē lēpān tātō pā chē sō lār mēmbā mō kāni tāpi yē khē lā rāngyē nyū chū chū pī dāng shir bē lāngam sēn lē tē pī dōbā chē sō shē jāvī tēmbā jī chū chī chā shī kāngshī pī tō dē gī tē rē mā lī chē gyū nī chū sē sū mēn 미시규바 짜자미니에 빠 게레나메 사톤 쳐줄기
신앙. 일단 미마제가 당신 바꿔 그러셨어. 어어. Ya, lasso. अच्छा दिसिम दराजा सम अरे अच्छा ब्लॉग चेक तो समय जो lasso 아니 요거지요 정말로